two major messaging platforms, one built for marketers, one powering global scale communications. Which one really delivers? On the left, ManyChat, no-code chatbots and marketing automation for social messaging. And on the right, Twilio, programmable cloud communications for developers and enterprises. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you. So before we start, here's the mind map of what we're going to cover. Use case and audience, ease of use, features and flexibility, pricing, because yeah, we all care, integrations and ecosystem, and security and compliance. I'm going to walk you through each one by one. Let's kick things off with use case and audience. ManyChat is like the friendly, approachable option here, basically built for marketers, agencies, and small businesses. The kind of tool that lets you whip up visual, no-code automations for things like lead gen and DMs, especially if you're living on Instagram or Messenger. No tech surprises. But honestly, if you want deep backend or API-level customization, you'll hit a wall. Now, Twilio? Oh, Twilio's a whole different beast. It's the developer's playground. If you want to weave custom comms into an app, or go totally omnichannel across SMS, voice, WhatsApp, email, you name it, Twilio's built for that. But here's the catch. You really need developer know-how to unlock it. So yeah, these two kind of speak to different audiences. And this one, honestly, it's a tie because they both absolutely dominate in their lanes. Next up, ease of use. Okay, ManyChat is honestly a breath of fresh air. Drag and drop builder, ready-made templates, no coding needed, and you're off to the races with campaigns. Onboarding is actually fun, which, is pretty rare for marketing software. Customization isn't infinite, but for regular folks, pretty awesome. Twilio, look, I'll just say it, not for the faint of heart. If you love APIs, CLI tools, and want total customization, you'll geek out here. But regular business owners will probably bounce after 5 minutes, since there's no visual flow builder, and the learning curve is just brutal. So yeah, for average users, ManyChat takes the lead here. Features and flexibility. Let's go. So, ManyChat gives you automated messaging flows, fancy term for scheduled DMs, promo campaigns, all across social channels. They've even got tagging and e-commerce hooks for Shopify and WooCommerce. It's solid, but mostly built for social and messaging. If you want emails or broad SMS, you'll need to pay up. Twilio, on the other hand, just laughs in unlimited. Global SMS, MMS, voice, video, email, chat, WhatsApp, you name it, it's probably on their list. Plus, you get programmable logic, triggers, all that nerdy stuff developers love. There's no built-in chatbot builder, but if you want real flexibility, Twilio's got you covered. Winner for power users? Yeah, Twilio runs away with this one. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know ManyChat actually started out as a Facebook Messenger tool? Meanwhile, Twilio powers over 180 billion interactions worldwide every year. Wild, right? Now for the pricing, because seriously, nobody wants to overspend. ManyChat has a free plan if you just need IG, Facebook, or TikTok DMs. And the Pro kicks off around $15 a month based on your number of contacts. It's predictable for most businesses, but costs climb as you grow, especially if you add stuff like SMS, email, or WhatsApp. Twilio, however, goes full pay-as-you-go. Sounds cool, right? But you have to watch your volume, because those micropayments, like 0.7 of a cent per SMS in the US, add up fast. And there's no free plan. If you scale up, expect to pay big league. So for small and medium folks, ManyChat feels way easier on the wallet. It definitely wins this one. Let's talk integrations and ecosystem. ManyChat plays nicely with popular platforms like Shopify, Stripe, the main social channels, and gives you webhooks if you want to do light automation. There's Zapier support too, but let's be real. If you're trying to build custom workflows or connect to your backend systems, you'll bump into some walls. Twilio, though, is insane in this category. You could basically connect Twilio into anything you dream up. Your custom platform, CRM, all the analytics and ERP stuff, and it's all through their APIs. But don't forget, you'll need someone technical to do the setup. So when it comes to raw integration power and ecosystem, Twilio takes the crown. Security and compliance. Super critical these days. ManyChat makes sure it's GDPR compliant for EU folks and does basic data encryption for everyone else. which is solid if you're just doing regular business. But if you want big league compliance, healthcare, finance, regulated industries, that's where Twilio flexes hard. Think HIPAA, SOC 2, ISO certifications. You get the idea. It's built for companies that can't mess around. It does mean extra cost and complexity, though. Overall, Twilio wins for enterprise-grade security. Just to recap, all those categories tell a story. ManyChat absolutely shines for marketing folks who need quick visual automations on social platforms. Twilio, that's the developer and enterprise playground, where omnichannel and scale are king. You can see from our radar chart that ManyChat nails ease of use and pricing, whereas Twilio just dominates in features, integrations, and compliance. So here's my honest take. If you want to build interactive campaigns fast and you don't code, ManyChat is going to be your new best friend. If you need to build out custom messaging at huge scale, or you're integrating into your own app or backend, Twilio can't be beaten for sheer flexibility. Pick what fits your technical skill and business needs. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.